Hey guys, welcome to Crypto Trends. This is the 1 day report. We're on the 1 minute at the moment. I'm Silverback. Thanks for joining. And I'll go to the daily. Let's get back into reality. Let's frame up our charts and check out what's going on today. So from yesterday till today. I'll just change it. Well, I mean, basically, let's have a look and see what's happening in the market. So, USDT tether to dominance. I can sort of see it's sort of remaining around where we're within the sort of levels it's sort of been more recently. Nothing's broken out. So money's going sloshing in and out of it. BTC, and this is the BTC dominance here. Again, it's it has, there we go, has fallen down after coming up to a really hot, quite a big high. You know, as we see this fall down, you know, again, these people were thinking, oh, it's alt season when this was happening, but then we've got this retracement back up to everyone running into BTC. It has been a very popular asset, so, and then of course, you know, the main bodies here have come up, hit resistance, broken past resistance, and now we're sort of finding a bit of a level here where BTC is happy to sit. As long as it keeps on going sideways, I think what will happen is that a few people might if they're just sitting there and going, okay, we're about that. Well, what are we? $100,000? Around about the $100,000, and BTC dominance is steady and just going basically sideways within a range. That'll allow for people that have got profits in BTC to start going around and shopping for some of these things that are popping up, like H-bar, which is a little bit out of our sphere of influence, but H-bar was up at 18% for the last 24 hours. I actually went in there in a different account and rode the retracement from 18 down to 14 before it actually just closed out just then. With a little bit of a short, but yeah, like there's so many opportunities. Anytime anything gets really overextended, there's opportunities in the market with some of these assets. And obviously, if someone's already got some profits from BTC, they might have put it into USD. You know, who knows? Thinking, oh, you know, it's at 100K. You know, I don't want to give back my profits, so they're sitting on USDT. And that sort of bears out that they've spent a bit of USDT, and now you've got this little bit of a spike here. You know, you can sort of see where the monies are flowing throughout this. This is total market cap excluding BTC, so this is the alt market, so it's going up. So we've got BTC dominance generally going down, total market cap excluding BTC going up. So you can see money's flowing from BTC to alts. And then it's coming out of USDT dominance as well, which is Tether. And then the total DeFi market is actually creeping up. So we're getting alts in the DeFi market. You can sort of frame a story around this. And then DXY, screw you to DXY, keep on going down. I'd like to see that keep on going down. This is like a perfect storm for alts in DeFi. So that's what the story is, based upon these different dominances. Just thought I'd lead into that's today's video with that. But anyway, let's have a look and see where we're sitting. So we've got on the daily, we're starting off with BTC. Let's flick it over to Heikin-Ashi, and we've got there's no hesitation on BTC. So let's make it a nice big image for us, so it's easier to sort of follow. Yeah, there's no hesitation. So basically, your stop loss would be a 94.028 on BTC. There's no reason to change it. So I'm just going to mark that as green. Actually, you know what? I want to come back through here and just mark these as which direction they're heading in. Red, green, DeFi market, green, love it. DXY red. I'm happy to mark that red. Very, very pleased to mark that red. So there we go. There's your heroes. And look, it's exactly what you could see there. So you can just, even if I didn't have those there, I could just look over to the side straight away and frame a picture in my mind before I even start to look at the market. Anyway, getting back to our strategy and technique and our thesis. Like, so BTC is on the daily, on the Heikin-Ashi. It's on the dollar index. I was thinking, what the hell's going on there? Okay, right. Back to reality. So we've got BTC, no hesitation. As I say, it is a long, stay long in there, and obviously the stop loss level is always in the blue as I go through all these charts. So you can pause at any time and have a look through. Again, I like to just stop, take a moment, just for the people that are just joining new. Exactly what sort of process that I'm using and the indicators that I'm using, and basically I've got. Okay, so I'll just do this so that you can sort of see how you would add it. I've got like a buy-sell indicator, which is actually just an extra confluence. I use Heikin-Ashi candles. You'll have to just follow along to see exactly how I set my stop losses and follow the trend with the Heikin-Ashi. But I've also got a smooth Heikin-Ashi working in the background. So basically, if you go into here, scroll down till you see smooth Heikin-Ashi, go to delayed signals by RS, and that'll bring up this on your screen. This is a smooth Heikin-Ashi. So basically, all this volatility that you see in the actual price. I'll go to normal candles for a second. So the normal candles, you can see where the price is all up and down all over the place, but generally the trend is this smooth Heikin-Ashi, and so basically this indicator, this smooth Heikin-Ashi delayed signals, gives you a buy, a buy and a sell. So say for example this really long run here, it would have got you in there, it would have got you out here. So that would be 43% in 69 days. It would have got you in here, got you out there. And basically it's just like an extra confluence based upon a smooth trend. So if you think you're being trigger happy, it's a really good thing to have on your as an extra indicator for confluence. So what in particular what I do is, because I'm working in a 1 day chart, I want to react fast. So 10 is sort of medium. 10 and 10 is the two settings. It's the EMA, and I'll shape that up for you and show you that. So it's EMA length is 10, smooth length is 10. So if you go to 20, that's like long term, really long term, really slow and really smooth charts. I'll show you what it looks like. 20. See, it just sort of smooths it out even more. You go to a 5 and a 5, and it actually brings it much closer to the price. And because I'm a maniac and I just want to know things straight away, and so I can react to it, I make mine a 1 and a 1, right? And that, you can see, that absolutely just hugs the price really closely, and that's what I want. Okay, so now because I don't need, that when that turns green and then when that turns red, I know between here and here, all that is just it looks like a spine, a green spine going along. I don't really need to see that because it just muddies up my chart. So I just go into here, I untick Heikin-Ashi smooth in the indicator, and now I've got my normal candles back, and now I've got extra buy and sell indicators that are just some extra confluence on top of what I would normally do based upon Heikin-Ashi trading. So let's go back to Heikin-Ashi candles. Starting back there, so we've got so we see, I can see when I get a green candle, and then I get a signal to buy or go long, I should say, in this instance. I've got double confluence, so, and it's based upon a smooth EMA of the actual price trend that's very close to the price. The Heikin-Ashi means no knee-jerk reactions, no FOMO, no getting shaken out. It's very hard to shake me out of a good trade, put it that way, until I get like double confirmations, or double confirmations to even get in. So I won't get in early as well. Anyway, enough of that. So the people that have already been watching for a while, I'm just repeating myself here, but just for the new people, I just thought I'd just run through that. I like to do that so you guys can actually do this yourself and have a play around with your own settings, you know. Anyway, getting into it. So obviously we've got the 94,028 is the Bitcoin stop loss. We are long. Ethereum, we are long. I can see a little bit of a wick there. I'm going to move the stop loss up to here. Now, what I'm going to do today is basically go and do. I'm going to go through and because I'm getting faster at this. I'm going to go through and actually update the positions as I go. So, alright, so that's the new stop loss level for Ethereum. So basically, I'm just going to go here, grab that because I'm already in a position there, copy it, and come into my Ethereum position here. Find it, if I can find it. There you go. It's Ethereum. Because I clicked on it, I didn't really have to click on it. Just go into here. Ethereum, so that was my stop loss level, so I want to cancel that stop loss, add the new stop loss level because I've just moved it. Okay, so I want to be able to do this as I go. Just press confirm, add say 100%. So that's that done. So that's that, and so we are long there. And AVAX, we are long. There's no need to move your stop, so it should be at 36. $36.07. 1,000 Pepe, we're long, no need to move your stop. Arbitrum, we're long, no need to move your stop. XRP, we're long, and no price indecision there either. Obviously we're in a daily time frame. In the smaller time frames it's all over the place, but as far as the longer trend on the daily, Atom, we're long, there's no need to move your stop. Doge, same thing, no need to move the stop. Optimism, same thing, stop is golden. Solana, the stop is fine, we're long. BB, stop is fine, we're long. Obviously, if you knew that the stop is the blue level here, you can pause it at any time. No need to move the stop closer on Litecoin either. Same deal with Aptos. So these are all good trades we made yesterday. Yeah. Lido, same thing. Stop is solid. Blur, again, we're long. The stop is solid. Bitcoin Cash, again, long. The stop is solid. Wildcoin, same thing. Well, I keep on saying Wildcoin. WorldCoin, same thing. Link is long. The stop is fine. Make that a bit bigger so just in case I can see it. Come here. Ton, the stop loss is fine. It's long. DYDX, again, same deal. And TIA. TIA is same thing, long, and stop loss level is fine. So everything we set up yesterday is exactly matching what I just went through on the charts. So that makes it a very, very easy maintenance for our positions today. Just as an update, I did actually close out my my BTC, as you probably would have seen here. My BTC large trade that I had going. I got about $400 profit, $500 profit out of that. So I've actually set up another account using those funds, and I'll be using that for the people that are subscribed to the weekly like vlog of this that I do, the free one. So I'll be going in there, and I think I might even make that weekly one whereby I go through all the assets that I can find in TradingView, or maybe on a separate browser. Everything that I can find in TradingView that's those 73 assets on Apex Omni, and maybe do that on a weekly scale. So once a week I'll go through and do that, because that'll be a big job with that many assets. But and maybe like attach a weekly trend to a small percentage of each of those cryptos, so it's really diversified. But also will snap us out with a good stop loss. over there on OMNI. So that's going to be a little bit more technical, a little bit more complicated, but it'll only be once a week. So if you are interested in that, there's always a way. You can just go to just search on, just follow my YouTube. It's silverbacked_gorilla, I think. You'll see it says silverbacked. You can see my profile pic. Easy to find. Anyway, that's enough for today. Enough of me rambling, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow with an update on this and more to come. Hopefully these markets, we're over 100k on Bitcoin, so it keeps on going up from there. We're getting very close to the inauguration, so the big crypto ball's coming up. I'm expecting the unexpected, and be safe out there, and make sure you're using stop losses. Make sure you join the subscriber chat below. Sorry to harp on this, but it needs to be done. There are new people joining, and welcome to you if you are new. Thank you. I'll catch you tomorrow.